Chugga take 32.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What you reaching for that apple for? You don't want that apple. You want this right here. Some Chumu chocolate milk. Yeah. The milk that's produced when scientists send cows to the moon. So you get, chugga, 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 Chumu.
Chewie, you have been drinking energy drinks again. I know this because you forgot your lines. The lines say, the chocolate milk sensation that is out of this station. We are going to film this again, but this time without the mistakes. Go.
Look, Winslow, Carl, whatever your name is, I don't care.
It's Wally.
Look, they asked me to do this commercial, all right? They asked me, Chewie the cow, to do this commercial. And if I say that the milk was made on the moon, the milk was made on the moon, right? Because, matter of fact, I don't got to deal with this. I'm going to my room now, and I don't want to be disturbed.